In research, you can't study everybody, which is why you pick a sample. And the way in which you include people in your study decides almost everything about it. So, sampling essentially is the process by which you put a filter and decide who gets included and who gets excluded from your study. Broadly, there are two divisions: probability and non probability sampling. Probability sampling is something where everyone in the population has an equal chance of getting selected. You do this when you have good resources, meaning time, money, and manpower, when you want to reduce bias in your study, and when you want to increase the generalizability or the external validity of your study. So this is essentially done in very large surveys or where you're collecting national level data. Non-probability sampling, on the other hand, is the exact opposite. You do this when you do not have those kind of resources, and then you want to pick samples as per your convenience. There are many types to both of these. So why do people then still follow non-probability sampling? That's because it's practical, it's fast, and it's still reliable, especially when you're doing your thesis work. In fact, I'll give you a fun fact: the study which proved that smoking causes cancer was actually done on a convenient sample of doctors. So use a non-probability sampling when you have time constraints or when you have resource constraints. So the takeaway from the video is that don't get stuck on your sampling. Understand what the requirement of your study is and what kind of resources you have at hand, and then decide whether you're going to go with probability or non-probability sampling. I hope this helps.